You are a good girl. You are better than me. You are the best girl in the class. Shimla is cooler than Kolkata. Kolkata is not as cool as Shimla. So, my dear students, what are all these? These sentences are nothing but they are showing comparison. Isn't it? They are showing comparison between one person to another, or between one person to the entire class, or one place with another, like that. So, that is the topic for today, comparison of adjective. In my last video on adjective, I had spoken on what adjectives are. They are basically those verbs which describe a noun. They say something about the noun. And adjectives have two features to them. First, every adjective will have an opposite adjective, and every adjective will have degree of comparison. Degree of comparison. Okay? These degrees are positive degree. You are a good girl, in which there is no comparison. Okay? It is just a statement with an adjective. You are a good girl. Good girl. Or it can be comparative degree. Like you are better than me, in which one person is taken into consideration. You and one more person. So two people are compared. Okay. So you are better than me. So better with one person. So you are better. Then in the third statement, you are the best girl in the class. This is superlative degree. Okay. You are the best girl in the class. That means you are compared with the entire class. So when we have many people with which one person is compared, then we use the superlative degree. You are the best girl. Best is the superlative form of good. Okay. So all these things, they describe comparison. Okay. So let us see what comparison is. Comparison of adjective. So they have 3 degrees. Comparison of adjective, we see 3 degrees are there. Positive degree, in which no comparison is done. Comparative degree, comparing with one person. And superlative degree, comparing with many. Now, let us talk about how the words are changed from positive degree to comparative degree to superlative degree. Okay, they are just addition of few letters, removing few letters, like that. We shall just see what are the different types, and then we shall discuss about the sentences. So students, let us see how we make comparative and superlative degree. First is by adding ER or EST. Simply adding these to the word, like strong. So I am writing them together, stronger. So we are just adding an ER, strongest. Strongest. Okay, just ER or EST. Then tall. Tall. It will be taller. Just an ER is added. ER is added. Tallest. Okay. Then let's take another word. Bright. Bright. Brighter. Brightest. Sharp. Sharper. Sharpest. So what do you see here? The words are ending in consonant. Okay. So when the words are ending in consonant, we usually use, and before that also there is a consonant, 2 consonants. Words are ending in 2 consonants. So we add ER and EST to make them comparative and superlative. Now second type is by adding R or ST. Let us see the words. Able, abler, ABLEST. The word is ending in E, so we just add an R and ST. Okay. Then large. Large will be larger, largest. So here also the word is ending in R, E, so we just add an R and ST. Then true. The word is ending in E, so comparative will be TRUER, truer, just an R is added, and truest, ST is added. Okay, so this is how it is. Now, by removing Y and adding IER, if the word is ending in Y, Say happy. The word ends in Y. Okay, so we remove the Y. H-A-P-P-I. We do it I and then E-R. Then happy superlative will be I-E-S-T. So basically we are removing Y and putting I-E-R, I-E-R, I-E-S-T. Happiest. Then merry, I-E-R, M-E-R-R-I-E-S-T. So those words which end in Y, we remove the Y, put an I and then E-R or E-S-T. So the next one is by doubling the last letter and adding E-R or E-S-T. Let us take an example. Say big. Big. So what do? We will add one more G. B-I-double-G, then E-R. This becomes comparative and superlative will be similar. One more G and E-S-T. Big, bigger, biggest. Okay. Next, red. Let's take red. Red. So same. R-E. We will add one more D, then E-R. R-E-double-D. E-S-T. Okay. Then sad, S-A-D-D-E-R, sadder, S-A-D-D-E-S-T, saddest. So, students, are you able to make out why we are doing like this? Did you get the common point? Here, just look here carefully. Here the word is big, okay, B-I-G. The word is ending in consonant, but before the consonant there is a vowel. Here also red, R-E-D. It ends in D, but before that there is an E, a vowel. Then S-A-D, sad. Again, it is ending in D, but just prior to that there is A, which is a vowel. So in these cases in which the word ends in consonant, but it has a vowel just before it, there we add one more of the last letter. Okay, like big, so we add one more G here. And then E-R and E-S-T. Red, one more D. Sad, one more D. Then one more example. Thin. Thin. T-H-I-N. Thin. Here also, though it is ending in N, but there is a vowel before that. So, what will be the comparative? T-H-I-N-N-E-R. Thinner. And T-H-I-N-N-E-S-T. Thinnest. So, like this. Okay, so just keep it in mind that if there is a vowel just preceding the last consonant of the word, then that consonant, the last letter will be doubled and then ER and EST will be put along with it. So this is one rule. Next rule is by adding more or most with the word, like beautiful. Beautiful. We don't do beautifuler or beautifulest. We write more beautiful. Like Radha is more beautiful than Sheila, or most beautiful. Radha is the most beautiful girl in the whole class. So that's beautiful. Then the word will be popular, more popular, most popular. Okay, so that way. Then the last method is by changing the entire word. Some of the words, they are totally changed in order to make comparative and superlative. So let us see those words. Very common word, good. This is better and best. Bad is worse and worst. So here we change the entire word to make comparative or superlative degree. So this is how the words are changed from positive degree to comparative degree to superlative degree. Now let us see how we write sentences in these three forms of adjective. Okay, using positive degrees, comparative degree and superlative degree. How sentences are constructed. There are three distinct ways of making sentences with these degrees of comparison, and if you know them, then you will never make mistakes in writing sentences with comparative degree or superlative degree or positive degree. So come, let's see. So let us see sentences now. In the first case, we are seeing positive degree. Okay. So the sentences are examples. Some examples are: You are a good girl, as I already told you. Then Kashmir is a beautiful place. No comparison is made. But students, as I told you that in positive degree there is no comparison. But that's not how it is all the time. Okay. There may be some situations in which two things are similar, isn't it? In those situations we use positive degree, but there is a pattern how we write the sentence. Let us see. Mohan is as tall as Shyam. Mohan is as tall as Shyam. So tall, we are taking positive degree. But there is a comparison made here. Okay, even though they are similar. Okay, the sentence is trying to say that the two persons, they are similar in their height. Okay, so in these type of situations when two similar things are to be told, we write like this. Mohan is as tall as Shyam. So we use the word as, okay, both before and after the word. Meeta is as clever as Radha. That means Meeta and Radha are equally clever, okay. So as clever as Radha. Both are similar, okay. So in those situations in which either no comparison is made or comparison is made in similar cases, both the things are similar, so we use positive degree, and to compare two similar things we use as before and after the word. Then let's talk about comparative degree. Comparative degree, okay, let us see the sentences. Mona is taller than Shyama. Kolkata is warmer than Darjeeling. Today is cooler than yesterday. Snake is more dangerous than lizard. Now, in all these sentences, one thing is little above the other, either in tallness or in warmth, like that. And there is a similar pattern here also. Students, if you understand the pattern of sentence, how the sentences are written, every one of them, they have their unique style. So just catch hold of the style, okay? Let us talk about the style here. Mona is taller. Taller we are using comparative degree. First of all, we will use comparative degree. Then, this word, just keep it in mind, then. T-H-A-N, then. T-H-A-N. T-H-A-N. This is with the comparative degree, okay? With comparative degree, you have to mention the word then. And very important clue in case of fill in the blanks when you get an exam, no? So, if you see then is written there, okay, after the blank, then be rest assured that you have to put comparative degree, okay? So, Kolkata is warmer than Darjeeling. See, everywhere you will get then. Today is cooler than yesterday. Snake is more dangerous than lizard, okay? So, just keep it in mind that if you see then, that means it is comparative degree. Without doubt, just underline the comparative degree. You will get total number in that, 1 complete. So, positive degree, we use as before and after the word if comparison is there. I mean, two equal things are mentioned. And comparative degree, we use, of course, comparative form of the verb, adjective will use, taller, warmer, cooler, dangerous, those things are there. And along with those words, we use then, just after the word. Okay, so then is very important for comparative degree. So, our next type is superlative degree. Okay, let us read out the sentences first. You are the best girl in the class. You are the best girl. You are there should be a the here. You are the best girl in the class. Kashmir is the most beautiful place. Most beautiful, okay. Mohan is the tallest boy in the class. Meeta is the best dancer of all. So the words are superlative. Best, most beautiful, tallest, best. Okay. But what is common to all these sentences apart from superlative degree that is being used? So can you find out? The common thing is the. There is always a the before the word superlative degree. Okay. The best, the tallest, the most beautiful, like that. So this is the hint for superlative degree. Okay. Now we shall quickly talk about sentences. I hope with the help of these clues you will be able to guess what degree will come in the fill in the blanks. Okay, let's see. So I'll quickly write down two sentences. You try to say what the answer will be. Okay? Yes, class. So these are the sentences. We'll quickly read it and you try to answer. Okay? So first sentence, a lion is dash then a dog. So in bracket you have strong. You have to use one of the 3 degrees. Either positive, this is positive, or comparative or superlative. Now let us read the sentence again. A lion is dash then. There is a clue here. Then. So without doubt, what should come here? What should come here, students? Strong. Strongest? No. Stronger. Stronger. Comparative degree. Because then is there. Okay. Next sentence. A tiger is dash then a cat. Big. Okay. So we have to use one of the forms. So again there is a then. Okay. So what will come here? Big. Bigger. Yes. B-I-G-G-E-R. Bigger. Don't forget the spelling. Now look at this sentence. Diamond is the. There is a clue. The dash of all gems. So you will use positive degree, comparative degree or superlative degree. What should come here? The. So it should be superlative degree. The most precious. So students, you have to locate that way. You have to find out. You have to understand in this way that what are the words given. If you are not able to understand the mood of the sentence, just look for the words, the catching words. Okay. If it is as before and after the blank, just put the word. If then you see THAN, not THEN, THAN if you see anywhere, just put comparative degree. And if you see the just before the blank, there you have to put the most form, superlative form. So this is the clue. Please keep this clue in mind and you will never have problem with fill in the blanks as far as adjectives are concerned. So now let us see how one sentence, one comparison is changed to another type. Okay? Come. Yes, my dear students, let us look at these sentences. The question is change of degree. Okay, we have to change the degree. Positive to comparative, comparative to superlative, like that. Okay, so let us read the sentence first. Shimla is cooler than Kolkata. So what is the degree used? Cooler. Okay, cooler, it is comparative degree. Cool, cooler, coolest. So cooler is comparative degree. Now let us see what they want. Change to positive degree. That means cooler, we have to use the positive form of this word. So positive form will be cool. Okay, so we have to keep cool in mind, positive, and now we have to change, reconstruct the sentence, keeping the mood intact. Let us see, mood means meaning intact. Shimla is cooler than Kolkata. Okay, so cool, how shall we change this sentence using cool? Shimla is cooler than Kolkata. Shimla is cool than Kolkata. Kolkata is cool than Shimla. No. Kolkata is not as cool as Shimla. Okay. Kolkata is not. We have to take help of not because otherwise the sentence is not being can't be written in any other way. Okay. Kolkata is not as cool as Shimla. So when it says that Kolkata is not as cool as Shimla, it means automatically that Shimla is cooler than Kolkata. Okay. So this is how we change. And Kolkata is not as cool as Shimla. Now let us look at the second sentence. Meera is the fastest girl in the class. Meera is the fastest. So the word that is used is fastest. Superlative degree. And rightly so because she is compared to the whole class. So superlative degree is used. Now what have they asked? Change to comparative degree. Now fastest comparative will be faster. Okay, faster. Now we have to write the sentence with faster. Let us see. Meera is the fastest girl in the class. So it will be again we have to start with no only. Many a times we have to take help of negative form. Okay. No other girl in the class. You can write no other girl is faster than Meera in the class. In the class. You can write in the class before also. No other girl in the class is faster than Meera. See, then has come. Okay. Faster, comparative degree, and we have to make use of the word then. Okay. So faster than Meera in the class. Had the question been change it into positive degree, that is also possible. See, no other girl in the class is as fast as Meera. Okay, so this is comparative degree, faster than, and this is positive degree. See, as fast as, making use of as fast, here faster than. So this is how we change degree of comparison from one sentence, one form to another. In order to change the word from comparative or superlative and vice versa and so on, we have to change the entire sentence, okay, to keep the meaning intact. So this you will have to practice to know it, okay. So practice as many sentences. Every sentence you can change the mood of the sentence, keeping the meaning intact. Okay, you can change the words and you can play with the words, but you can keep the meaning intact. Every comparative can have the another form. Okay, so just keep an eye on the formation of sentence and how the change of the sentence has to be brought about in order to keep the meaning same. Sometimes we have to use negative words, not, no one, like that. Okay, so these things are basically done in order to change the degree of sentence. And with this we come to end of our discussion in adjective. I hope you have understood. You can see the video again and again in order to make the things even more clear. And if you have liked the video, then please like, share and subscribe, and keep following the videos, because here you get to see the material in a very easy and simple way.